Welcome back, guys. We are going to discuss about how to use the always on top method. You can also implement the focus. So focus the native window. This one is focus the native window. You can just try to implement this one. Window.setAlwaysOnTop activate or deactivate the always on top mode, and on top is going to be a boolean. That means you are going to put false or true. If you put false, it is going to set always on top to false, and if you put true, it is going to set it to true. So let's see how to implement it, guys. We have a checkbox. So if you go back to our application, we have a checkbox. We want if when you check it, it will always be on top. If you uncheck it, it will set it to false. So let's see how to implement it. I have the checkbox here, checkbox with ID, always on top check. So I'm going to copy this ID, guys. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to target it here. Const check input. Let me just name it like the always on top input, or checkbox equals to document.querySelector. Let me use document.getElement by ID, and this is the always on top check. Always on top checkbox dot add event listener. We are going to listen to change, then async. So we're going to get the event here, guys. So for example, if I see lge.target.value, let's see what we have. Just log it. Let's go back to our application. Let me open the console. Okay, this is the console. If I click here, do you see on? Check it. It is still saying on. So let's go back and change it. If I say e.target.checked, there is a method called checked like this. Go back. Let me open the console. Check it now. It is saying true. Let me uncheck it. It is now false. Okay, it is now false. True, false. If it is checked, it is going to return true. If it is unchecked, it is going to return false. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to say is checked, const is checked equals to e.target.value. Okay, if it's checked, you can actually pass is check direct to this function, guys. So for example, let me go back to the documentation. You can grab this function here. You can grab one of this, grab it like this. I can just put it and pass the value like this. It's checked. I can pass is checked like this, and it will do the same thing. If I pass it like this, it is going to toggle the always on top. I open our application. It is now unchecked. If I click on the VS Code now, do you see our application is behind the VS Code? Okay, but if I want it to be on top of every other application, I need to check this. I have checked it now. If I click on VS Code now, do you see it is on top? If I open let me show the browser. Do you see it is on top of the browser? Even as I'm clicking on the browser now, I'm clicking on the browser and it is still on top of the browser. Let me uncheck it, and if I click on the browser now, do you see that the browser is on top of it now? It is now in behind the browser. If I check it, it is on top. You see, as I'm clicking the browser, it is now on top of any other application we have here. Even as I'm clicking the VS Code and doing something in VS Code, it will always be on top of every other application. Okay, what we pass here is true or false. So you can also use if statement to check if this is checked. But since it can toggle this, I don't need to use if statement again. So that is how to use always on top, guys.